how to watch anime for free. So if you want to watch anime for free, then there are some websites. So the first website is Crunchyroll. Once you search for crunchyroll.com, then you will have this kind of interface where you can simply go for the login and then you can log into your account. And from here, you can click on watch now and then you can watch any anime that you would like. So click on the anime and then click on watch now and you can watch the animes. So this is the first website. And the second website is Funimation. Once you search for Funimation, it will again take you to the Crunchyroll because it's similar to Crunchyroll. Like Funimation and Crunchyroll are the same thing. So you can simply go for the Crunchyroll website or the first website, which comes when you search for Funimation, and then you can watch your anime right here also. And the third website is Tubi TV. Once you search for Tubi TV, here you will have tubitv.com. If you click on the first, it will take you to the website. Once you're here on the website, now you can simply go for search, which will be here on the upper right. Once you search, you can simply search for any anime and then you can click on watch now for free and you can watch that. So that's how you can watch on Tubi TV. And the fourth website is Popcorn Flix. Once you search for Popcorn Flix, then you just need to go for the first search, which is popcornflix.com. Then under the Popcorn Flix, you will have all of these movies and shows, and you can also search for the anime and you can watch the anime. So that's how you can watch the free animations on these websites. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.